Talk about some stamina here. Here we go, Toto'S Grill. First 5, not first 6, just 5. Here we go, inbound by ALG. To number 8, back to 25. 20-footer. Nice shot, nice basket. 25, 2 points. Here we go, really close game. Number 28, Toto'S Grill. Looking to pass, making a play. Back to 7. For shot, miss. Rebound by number 4. What a rebound. Number 4. Number 4, what a move. To number 28. Oh, nice drive. Nice pass, but didn't quite catch it. To 35, 35, 47, 47 is hot. 47 to number 7, ALG, 47. Move, miss, rebound by 7. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. Back to ALG, out of bounds to number 7, blue. So number 7, nice. Rebound by 35, shot, miss. Rebound by number 1. To number 10, he's all alone. Nice layup. Number 10, nice basket. Here we go. That was an easy layup for number 10. Here we go, 35, ALG. To number 7. Number 7 to 25. 25. Defended by number 7 to 25. Here we go, dribbling the ball, making a move. Oh, double team. Foul on number 7. Number 7. Second foul on number 7. Inbound by number 25. To number 7. Ooh, another turnover. What a costly turnover. 33-26, Toto'S Grill, 7-point game. 28. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Oh, turnover. Too much dribbling. Too much hands on that ball. Here we go, number 8, ALG. Number 8. Making a move. Number 8, all the way. Whoa, nice leg.
Marco Polo move.
Woo, that was a sexy move, but no lipstick. Sexy move, but there's no lipstick. Here we go, 28, inbound. Number 28. To number 7 for a 20-footer. Nice basket. 2 points. 35-26 Toto'S Grill. Number 25. Looking to pass. 20-footer. Miss. Rebound by number 47. Saved by number 7. To number 10. Defended by 35 for 3. Number 10. Air ball. Number 47. Nice move by 47. Oh, rebound by 47. Here we go. Miss again.
47, go.
Oh, foul on 47. Go. Offensive foul.
First foul.
Good foul. Here we go. Number 10. All the way. Oh, it's 4 against 1. Nice move. Too much running. Number 10. Nice. Inbound. Stolen by number 28. Back to 35. 35 for 3. Thinking about it. Pass to 25. Turnover. Too hard. Here we go. Number 4. All the way. Pass to number 7. What a move. Nice basket. Someone pulled that number 7 out. 11-point game. 47. 47 yellow. Making a move. Pass to 25. 25 to number 35 for 3. Missed. Rebound by number 1 to number 7. To number 28 to 10. And a layup. Nice move. Basket count. 2 points. Looks like Blues running away with the game. Here we go. 25. Let's see if we can catch up. 25 defended by number 10. Double team by number 28. Stolen by number 7. Foul. Foul number 7. Blues. My number ba? Nice jacket, Truken.
May libreng dental lang yung mga yan.
Here we go. Inbound number 8 to 47 yellow for 3. Ooh, in and out.
Wait, in and out, ball through.
Yes, number 4. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 pass to number 22 to number 28. Nice shot. 2 points. Inbound number 47 to 35 to 47. 41-26 Toto'S drill. Pass to number 25. Foul on 22, I believe. 22. Second foul on number 22 Blue. Inbound 25. To number 7. Back to 47.
Tira Sam.
3. Number 8 for 3. Change his mind. 47 move. Too hard. Out of bounds. Number 25. Yellow. To number 4. Boy, this blue team's just too fast. Nice shot. Alvin, number 4. 43-26. Toto'S grill. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 35 to 47. For a 2-footer. Foul. No basket. But a foul. Going on the line for 2 shots. Number 47. Third personal foul on 22. 47 on the line. Here we go. First shot. First try. 47. Swish. Nice basket. 47. Second try. 47. Nice shot. 47 made 2. How about that? Here we go. Maybe they'll be alive again. Here we go. Blue 28 on the dribble. 28. 28. Nice move. Pass to number 1. Oh! Problem move.
1 feet, then you try to establish the
The floor may be slippery or something.
Slippery when what?
Slippery when too much walking. Number 25, yellow. Making a play. Pass to number 47. Nice move. For layup. Nice shot. 47. Nice basket. Inbound 28. Boy, this blue team's just running too much. Number 28. Pass to number 1. To number 10. Nice move. 20-footer. Nice finger roll. Nice shot. 45-30, blue team. Almost stolen by number 10. Take it easy right there.
Yes.
Miss. Rebound by 25. Foul. 22. Fourth foul. Fourth foul. Number 7. Almost stolen. Back to number 8. For 3. For 3. Number 8. Air ball. Oh, too hard of a pass. Here we go. Inbound to 47. Yellow.
30 seconds.
47. 30 seconds to go. Third quarter. 47 making a move. Pass to number 8. Almost stolen by 22 to 7. Back to number 8. Number 8. Pass 35 to 3.
Yes.
Miss.
One more.
Another try. Oh, pass to number 25. Number 25. Miss again. Give up by 1. Foul. Timeout. Yellow.